Hello children, I have received a bag of muffins. Let us see what we have got here. We have these beautiful vanilla muffins which look very delicious. Oh, there are chocolate muffins also in it. There are still some more. So how many muffins do we have in all? How do we find that out? We can do this by adding. What does adding mean? Adding means that we have some number of muffins which are vanilla and some number of muffins which are chocolate, and we will group them together to get a single number which will tell me how many muffins I have in total. I will use these counters to do this. I will represent my chocolate muffins by red counters. So I will take 1 for each muffin. So I have taken 1 for each chocolate muffin. So how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me represent my vanilla muffins by yellow counters. So how many will I take? Yes, I have 3 vanilla muffins. So I have taken 3 yellow counters. Now let us add them all together. So how do I do that? I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means 4 chocolate muffins plus 3 vanilla muffins together are 7 muffins in all. Interesting, isn't it? Addition is a very interesting concept. Let me show you something else. Supposing I take 3 red counters and I take 4 yellow counters. Okay, these are 3 red counters and these are 4 yellow counters. Let us again add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do I get? 3 red counters plus 4 yellow counters give me 7 counters in all. This is called commutative property of addition. What does it say? It says that while adding two numbers, order does not matter. That is, 4 plus 3 is 7 as well as 3 plus 4 is 7. Can you think of any other numbers which can add to give 7? Let us check out. I am going to arrange 7 counters here. 7 red counters. These are 7 red counters. Just let's cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll arrange another 7 under them. 3, 4, 5, 6, I need one more, 7. So these are again 7 red counters. Now I'm going to replace this 1 red counter by yellow counter. So what do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. And together how many are these? 7. So I get 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Again let us repeat our activity. We again arrange 7 red counters. Are you counting? How many have I placed till now? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 red counters. Now what am I going to do this time? I am going to replace 2 red counters by yellow counters. So what do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2. So 5 plus 2, and what is it equal to? Let us count fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is again equal to 7. Isn't it interesting? Let us again do it. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 red counters. Now what am I going to do this time? Yes, I am going to replace 3 red counters by yellow counters. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 plus 3. And what is it equal to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Isn't it interesting? And do you remember this number? This is what we started with when we were counting our muffins. Let's again place 7 counters. I think by now you know what I am going to do next. Yes, I am going to this time replace 4 red counters by yellow counters. So what do I get? 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time it is 3 plus 4. This is also our old friend here. So let us count again just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. I hope you are not bored with the game because I am going to do it once again. I am again placing 7 counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what am I going to do this time? I am going to replace 5 red counters by yellow counters. So what do I get? 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 2 plus 5. And what is it equal to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 7. Isn't this interesting? There are so many ways that we can find some 7. So we are going to do it once again. I am going to place 7 red counters. I hope you are counting this time. So I placed 7 red counters and what am I going to do this time? Yes, I am going to replace all of them by yellow counters. So how many red counters do I have? Do I have any red counter? No. So I have 0 red counters. And how many yellow counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can say 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. So children, did you enjoy this? You realized we can represent 7 in so many ways using addition. 7 is an interesting number. And have you heard of the story of 7 dwarfs and a princess? So how many good characters were there in that story? Do you remember? There were 7 dwarfs. So let us represent those 7 dwarfs by 7 red counters. And who else was there? Yes, there was a princess. Let this yellow counter represent the princess. Was there any other good character in that story? Yes, there was a prince too. So this blue counter is for that prince. So now let us add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what do I have? I have 7 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 9. Interesting, isn't it?